Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change to landscape in Adobe Express. If you want to change the orientation of your project into landscape in Adobe Express, then here is how you do it. Open up your Adobe Express application from your app drawer. From the main homepage of Adobe Express, click on the plus button at the bottom right corner and start up a new project by selecting the sizes. If you are creating a new project, from the standard sizes, make sure you choose the landscape option and then start creating your project. If you want to change your existing project to landscape, simply open up your existing project from your stuff or your project library and open up a project. Once you open up a project, go ahead and click on the resize button at the bottom left corner, and from the resize menu, go ahead and select a landscape-oriented size from the available presets. Common landscape sizes include 16:9 ratio or 1920 into 1080 option. After selecting the common landscape size, click on resize and you will be able to resize your project to landscape orientation. If the preset size doesn't suit your need, you can also enter the custom dimensions by entering the width, height, and search. And that way, you will be able to change your project to landscape. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.